Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix playback error on X or Twitter. To fix this issue, you should go and open Twitter or X like this. Once you open it and you're all done, you should now go back, get out of it, then remove it from playing in the background by clicking on this button right here and remove all things that are running in the background. This is the first option. The second option is to simply go and update the application on your phone. So I will go and open Play Store, App Store, or whatever thing that you have. Then search here for X or Twitter. Then click on update. Once you update this thing, what you should do is to simply go and open the application and check if your problem is fixed or not. If it is not fixed, you should go to settings, then go down till you find apps, then go to manage apps, or search simply for X itself or Twitter. So here I have this application right here, X or Twitter. You should click on it, and once you click on it, you should now go to storage, click on clear data, clear all the data, and clear the cache. Just press the OK button and you're all done. And this is how we can fix the issue. Now when you go back and try to open the application, it will run normally and you will not have this problem again. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and goodbye.